Kelly, Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia. I want to welcome you to our channel, and today's video where we're going to be having some speed cleaning to do. We have just a little bit of stuff. That's my hotspot dump pile that accumulates here, and so I really need to clean it out. We are in December trying to get ready for Christmas. I just kind of also want to have my kitchen organized because, as I said, yeah, I've just dumped so much stuff there to be organized and ready to go. So I just want to reset it, ready to go for next week when I'm going to bring you some Christmas baking and some other goodies. So I'm going to put you on fast forward speed as I speed clean this. I'm going to look like Superwoman, whooshing in and out. Because it's super hot here today, so I want to put the air conditioner on, so I don't want to have you hearing that going in the microphone. I keep going to say microwave. And I also want to put the dishwasher on, so enjoy this music, enjoy cleaning. I hope it motivates you. You can sit and watch. I might do a talk over. When I watch it back, I'll see how I go. So let's go. So yes, this is my hot spot, as Fly Lady would call it, or the dump ground, where I just have everything here that we come inside the house and there it goes. It's where a lot of the shopping ends up getting dumped, and any papers and things like that, and so it's just all there. And because we did the kitchen remodel a whole year ago, I still have things that I haven't actually found a home for, so I just bagged everything up into boxes to clean out of cupboards, and there it sat. So I really need to figure out what I'm doing. I'm surprised at how quickly I actually got through it, so I'm hoping that's a little bit of motivation for me to keep it clean next time. But yes, I just got a couple of baskets there. I was just dumping everything in, and then I'll take them throughout the house and unpack them. Just saves me then walking up and down through the house for one or two items. I'm hoping this will save me some time. I usually dump everything in a basket, and then there it sits for another week, so we shall see what happens. Of course, I've got a movie going. I'm watching Strictly Ballroom today. Yeah, it's good to have a bit of dance while you're cleaning. And here's the after. A few dump piles still and stuff to do, but at least a lot of it is cleaned out and it will be easy to put away. Hey guys, it's a couple of days later. Life, what can I say? We're going to tackle the baking cupboard today, so I'm going to show you. It's a mess, so we're going to pull everything out, organize it best we can, ready for some Christmas baking. So let's go. So a bit of a tour. Up the top we have a whole lot of cookie cutters and things like that. They fit really well inside the drawers, so I'm just going to leave them all there. Here is just Rafferty's rules, anything goes. The same with here. It was meant to be a couple of drawers for like cooking chocolate and other bits and pieces, and it's just all gone crazy. And then down here was meant to be more cupcake liners and bits and pieces and tools that I was using. It's all over the place, so we're gonna pull it out and organize it. So we at least have the basics here, but as you can see, we have a whole lot of stuff on the bench. And now I need to sort all that out. I did have these 2 drawers for chocolate, which is spilled, as you can see, and colouring, but there was a peppermint thing in there which has leaked all through there, and so I need to clean it all out and reorganize it. I have just a couple packets of cake mix. So I know that this looks like a complete chaos. The idea was that the 2 drawers that I had here, one was going to be white chocolate and any specialty chocolates for like Christmas baking or decorations, and the other one was dark milk chocolate with choc chips, but I actually had more products that would fit in the drawers, so I had to go backwards and forwards quite a few times with things. And then in the cupboard and on the bench also, I kept finding random little bits and pieces here and there, so it was just chaos for a bit. I got this bigger drawer set, thank goodness, from Savers, and I forgot I had it in my office, so I pulled it out, and now I can have a dedicated drawer for the chocolate and then a dedicated drawer for the other things like cupcake liners and colouring for icing and stuff like that. I still couldn't fit it 100% perfect how I wanted to, but I'm happy with it for now. And yeah, I've got a whole lot of baking and stuff to do, so no doubt I'll start creating some holes and other things there. And yeah, I kept going backwards and forwards trying to figure out what to do in some areas, so it was just driving me insane trying to sort out all my cookie cutters. Why, I do not know. I haven't really ever used them since I bought them, but you know, things we do. I might use it one day, so we'll hold on to it just in case. But I found a whole lot of double up of stuff, so I'll see what I do. And here is the before, complete mess, and then here is the after. So I'm pretty happy with how this has turned out so far. So again, still got all the cookie cutters and stuff up there, but found some loose ones in the cupboard, so I've put them into drawers. I just need to label some of the drawers into what's in there. Of course though, in 2020, like many people, I got quite addicted to cookie making and decorating, so seeing everyone doing it, and I pretty much never got around to doing it. So hopefully I will get back into it, but lots of other things happening. I found these big sets of 2 drawers at Savers, so now all the chocolate and stuff is in here instead of like milk in one and dark in the other. It's like all chocolate, and then in here is all the like vanilla extract, baking powder, the cupcakes, and the colorings to make the icing and stuff. So you sort of got themes running. I've got all the sprinkles and things in here, and then any excess bits and pieces up here. And then this cupboard, I've got this Glad wrap here because it's too big to fit in the drawer, and then just some extra sprinkles and things. And at the back is all the packets of cake mixes, and then here is just some bits and pieces. When Kira makes snickerdoodles, we have leftover mixture of the sugar sprinkles on top, so we just leave that all there. Down the bottom, it's just becoming a little bit of a catch-all for just bits and pieces. And then way down the bottom, which you can't probably even see, here we go, it's just got all of my baking gear and stuff in there. Whoops, let me just fix you here. Oh, yeah, it's got all my baking bowls and bits and pieces in there. That's another day's project because I really want to streamline that and sort it out. At the moment, I've got bits in that cupboard and bits here, and I kind of like to keep it all separated and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I'm curious to know if you have a baking cupboard, if you have a space in your cupboard anywhere for bits and pieces. If you are a baker, if you're a cooker, those that run a business, a lot of people have stuff separate. I just have it here because, as I said, I like to put a lot of hidey things in here. And then also I know they're safe, so I can cook with them and then the family will not eat them. But that is the next video that we're going to be doing some Christmas baking and some treats. So please subscribe if you haven't already, because we would love to have you here as part of our frugal fun family. And as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!